Welcome again. In this video we will learn how blur a face in a moving video. First, make sure you selected the part in the timeline where you want to make it blur. Cut that part first. Then click on the window option. Select the effect option. Search for Gaussian blur. Drags and drop it in that selected part of a video. And make sure that the time indicator is at the start of the selected part. And go to the effect controls. Select the ellipse tool and the circle mask will be created on the screen. Click and drag it over the face. But right now the mask is too big. We need to scale it down. Put your cursor over the slightly outside the mask until you see this double-sided arrow. Then hold the Shift button on your keyboard, and left-click and adjust it with the face size. Now go to the control panel, click on the ring icon. And select the position option. And click on the track masks forward. Then Premiere will start tracking the face.